That works. I assume I don't have to clap then. Said her to Molly, to James, that's a fine motorbike. A girl could feel special on any such light. Said James to her to Molly, my hat's off to you. That's the Vincent Black Lightning, 1952. And I've seen you at the corners and cafes, it seems. Red hair and black leather, my favorite color scheme. And he pulled her on behind, down the box hill, lit it right. Said James to Red Molly, it's a ring for your right hand. But I warn you in earnest, I'm a dangerous man. I fought with the law since I was 17, and I've robbed many a man to get my Vincent machine. Now I'm 21 years and I might make 22, and I don't mind dying, but for the love of you. And if it should break my stride, I'll give you my Vincent to ride. Come down, Red Molly, called Sergeant McCree. They've taken young James 80 for armed robbery. Shotgun blast to his chest, left nothing inside. Come down, Red Molly, to his dying bedside. When she got to the hospital, there wasn't much left. He was running out of road, Lord, he was running out of breath. But he smiled to see her cry, said, I'll give you my Vincent to ride. Said James, in my opinion, there's nothing in this world beats a 52 Vincent and a red-headed girl. No Indians and Nortons and Trumps, they won't do. They don't have that soul like that Vincent 52. And he reached for her hand and he slipped her the keys. Said, I've got no more use for these. The angels and Aries, and leather and chrome, swooping down from heaven to carry me home. And he gave her one last kiss and died.